Most men are invisible, not because they are weak, because they are loud, needy, and easy to read. The man with real aura never chases, he never explains himself, and every room he enters feels it. Here is how you build that. First, master silence. Stop filling every space with words. The man who speaks less is the man everyone listens to. Silence is not awkwardness, it is power. Second, control your reactions. Nothing breaks your aura faster than reacting to everything. Someone disrespects you, you stay calm, you stay cold. That stillness is terrifying to people who expect weakness. Third, have a mission nothing interrupts. A man with direction does not orbit people, people orbit him. Your purpose is the foundation everything else is built on. Fourth, stop seeking approval. No explanation, no validation, no apology for who you are. The moment you need someone to accept you, you have already lost the frame. Fifth, build your body and your discipline. Every day you train when you do not want to, you are sending a signal to your own mind. That signal becomes presence. Presence becomes aura. You cannot fake this. You have to become it. Start today.